Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm actually going to be talking about how you can use ChatGPT to create more than 50 content in 2 hours for your free blog. All right, you're not investing any money. You're not you're not buying a domain or using what's it called? You're not buying a domain name or hosting it. So what you can actually do after learning this video is create your own free website using Google's blogger.com, and then you create up to 50 or even more. I created 50 blog posts. I put them in draft, which I'm going to edit them later, optimize them, put pictures, edit them, do on page SEO, in content SEO, and then publish them. So, but I've been able to gather up to 50 drafts in 2 hours using this chat GPT. All right, so you also can do it. It's a no-brainer really, because if if ChatGPT can actually help you generate content, original quality content, ideas, then writing articles is no longer that hard. Like the the ChatGPT has already done the heavy lifting for you. All right, so that's how you can start leveraging on this ChatGPT. Now remember, it's still free, and the company is saying that they might still monetize it sooner than later. So you can actually start creating content on your free blog. Just do it as a like freestyle thing, like you're not even stressing too much. Just put in 1 or 2 hours in it, and then you do this content there. You edit them and then you publish them. Remember, you can start this your blog, your free blog, and then have up to 30 to 40 um um what's it called, quality content on them, and then you can monetize to Google Adsense. So this is exactly what I'm showing you. What I mean by all of these things I'm saying. So this blog now that this one now that you say it's a newly created blog, and just today I've been able to load it with up to 50 drafts. 50 drafts, like it's really really insane, really, because ChatGPT has actually helped me generate this quality content. Each of them I had to put them in what do they call it, plagiarism checker, to make sure that they are not plagiarized. So, and they are very clean, like 50 drafts like this. So what I'll do is just to edit them later and then publish them, and then apply for Google AdSense and get approved. So if you're still there and you're not making the most use of this chat GPT, then I'm sorry, you're not doing it right, because everybody has the potential to earn money online leveraging ChatGPT and free pro blogger. And in case you're still wondering if free website by pro blogger can earn you money, don't worry again. Like don't even bother again, because it's real. People are actually making tons of money, tons of dollars with pro blogger. So as you can see on this tab here, there's an earning um, category, and you see here specifically you can start earning from ads by creating an AdSense account. When you set up an AdSense account, you automatically place ads for you in all the places. You already use AdSense at Victoria. So this thing that is just showing us that we can monetize this free blog. All right. So those days, what used to be hard was how could you generate quality content? How could you generate as much as 30 to 40 content to publish, and then you monetize it? So but with ChatGPT, like it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer really, because you can create this content. It will give you the ideas, like give you the drafts that you can work on, and then you can publish them in little time, up to 50 drafts in 2 hours. That was what I was able to get with this chat GPT. So I'll tell you what to do now in 3 steps. The first thing you need to do is to, one, go to, if you don't have a blog already, don't wait till you get money. You can start a free blog and you can still earn money with it. So go to Blogger on Google. That's the first thing you need to do. Blogger. All right, so you sign up with them. All right, so you sign up with them ASAP. You sign up with them. I have an account. That's why you're seeing this. So if you don't have an account, you can sign up with them. It only requires your email and then your your name and all of those normal small details. Then you can set up. So after signing up to it, the next thing you need to do is to sign up with you sign up with what's it called, ChatGPT, because this is where all the heavy lifting is done. It will do it for you in a matter of seconds. All right. So when you sign up to ChatGPT, you can now start asking it questions, different questions. But it's best for you to do maybe keyword research and try and find out after you've picking you already choosing your niche. You can do maybe keyword research or just go into any blog that's already popular, and then you can start replicating. You can start copying their topics, and then you search it on ChatGPT. All right. When you search it on ChatGPT, ChatGPT will give you an answer that is um uh that is very authentic, that is fact. All right. So you can just after you do that, you can just copy the response on ChatGPT into your draft, copy it, and then you take it into your your draft. All right. So after taking it into your draft, you can edit it for later. But just right now, try and gather as much as you can because Google actually wants you to, AdSense actually wants you to, what's it called, to get up to 30 to 40 quality um, content on your blog before you can monetize it. So what you can just do is to just be keeping them in your draft, putting them in your draft, and then you can be putting them in your draft. So when they amount to like 40 or so, you can start um you can start editing them and like publish them to get approved by AdSense. Okay, remember this open what's it called, ChatGPT is free, but it may not be free tomorrow because there are speculations that OpenAI, which is a company that has the artificial intelligence, is saying that they might start monetizing it. So there's no reason for you to be wasting time on this. So just queue into it, set up your blog, your free blog, and put up to 30 to 40 drafts on it. And later you can work on them and then you publish them and then you can apply for Google AdSense on it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was informative for you and I hope to see you in my next video.